Okay, so it's time to do my brows. I've been really naughty and left them for ages. And I'm going to use the Sparkly Brow Kit. So this is in the last chance tab on the website at the moment because we're selling out of these. And once they've gone because we're making room for new stock to come in. So get yours now. They're half price. And you get all of this, all of this in the kit. And a tiny little card to tell you exactly what everything does. You get your magnifying mirror, you get scissors, you get a spoolie with a brush on one end and a comb on the other. You get 2 sets of tweezers, a flat blade set, which are really good for taking away the multiple eyebrows. And then you get a really, really fine, sharp set, pointy set, which are good for taking individual ones away, like when you get those white or grey ones. Or you get them on your chin. And this one is a brow blade, which is the star of the show. And I'm going to show you how I use it. Watch this space. Just use your brush to brush the eyebrows up and away. So you've got space underneath. And then get your blade. And then basically pull the skin taut and just run the blade. Oh, I love that sound. Against the hairs. And you can see, look at that already. Oh, it's so satisfying. You can hear like little bristles. It sounds like you're cutting the grass. And it's just a really, really quick way. Look at that, all gone already. And the ones that are super close, you can either get straight in there or you can use your tweezers if you're a little bit worried. There you go, use the edge of it. And you can use this just above your brow here. Just take away any brows there. And just above here, to take away those furry bits that we get. And then I get some just a little bit under here as well, just some little long hairs under there, so I take those away as well. Let's have a look. And then you can neaten it all up as you go along. And do this bit in the middle. Just be careful you don't take your eyebrows back too much. They've got to stay in line with your nose. And you're always going to go against the hair grain. Oh, I can get one big one there. Oh yeah, lovely. Got that one. And then the same on the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to do the other eyebrow, pulling it tight. And then just run it against the hair grain. Oh, you can see them all coming off. It's as quick as that. I'm going back over it because I'm addicted to it. It's like, it's so satisfying. And then take away any of those ones just there. And any down here can come up. Oh, so nice. Oh, it's just one there. There we go. And then use your tweezers, your flat pair of tweezers, just to take away any extra hairs that you might want to get rid of. In there, and I can see a white hair, which is great. See this white hair? So I used the really, really pointy tweezers so I can just get that one hair and I'm not pulling out loads of, oh, got it. Ooh, loads of others, okay? Give them a brush through when you're done with your little spoolie. And then the other thing you might want to do is you might want to brush your hairs upwards. I'm just going to look in this mirror here. Brush them all up, straight to the sky, okay? And use your tiny little scissors that have got a kind of bend right in the end there. Can you see that tiny little bend? And it follows the hairline, you see. So what you do is you can then trim, rest it against the skin. And trim those hairs to get that really super. Any that are a bit too long. Oh, gives that really neat finish, look. Do a little bit more down here. Oh, and that one there. Yeah, see that really sharp finish. Do the other side. There we go. So once they're all done, give them a little brush through. Ta-da-da! What a perfect kit. What more do you want? It's all neat and tidy. It's all in one place. Look at that, tiny little envelope. Take it away with you if you're going away. Put it in your handbag. Happy days. All about convenience, all about practical, all about good prices.